Hi, it's Paul from Wakefield Windscreen Wiper Blades. Today we're gonna change wiper on this Hyundai I10. That's PA model, manufactured up to 2013. Currently we've got standard wiper blades, size 22-inch on the driver side, 16 on the passenger side. We're gonna upgrade that for modern style flat wiper blades. Let me show you quickly how to do it. First we need to lift the wiper arm, twist it and simply push it down to take all the wiper from the wiper arm. Please lower down the wiper arm gently on the screen. As you can see, this one need to be replaced, a bit of rust on it. Okay, I will quickly remove the second one. It's not that bad. And now I will start doing the driver side wiper on the old style wiper arms like hook. Nowadays you can upgrade it to modern flat or hybrid wiper blades. Today we're going to use hybrid wiper blades. Let me show you quickly how to fit it. We put the adapter on the wiper arm, then the cover. Open the cover. Clip on the wiper blade, and then we will fit it on the wiper arm, and then we will lock the cover. Went too far. Okay. Now we will fit the passenger side. It's same thing. Nowadays most of wiper blades, modern style, got plastic covers. Please remember to remove it before you fit the wipers. And those wipers got the spoiler, so it need to face like that. So when the wind hits the spoiler, spoiler keeps the wiper on the screen. Okay, now it's fitted. I would recommend this car has a dirty windscreen. As you can see here, I would highly recommend after changing wipers to clean the windscreen before first wipe. Okay, now let's see how the wipers work. Yeah, perfect. Thank you for watching and see you next time.